Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now French toast is something that we usually enjoy for breakfast or for an evening snack. Today I'm going to show a variation of that French toast and we are going to make these delicious cheese French toast. Now this is a very savory sandwich, very tasty with the goodness of cheese. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the egg mixture, I'm taking 2 eggs. To this, I'm going to add half cup of milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Whisk it nicely till it's all well combined. To the plate, pour the egg mixture. So next, heat a pan, add a little bit of butter. So you need to maintain the flame on a medium-low. Just dip the bread into the egg mixture. Make sure it's coated on both sides. Place it on the pan. Cook on one side for about a minute. Now flip it to the other side. So place a slice of cheese. Take another slice, dip it in the egg mixture. Place it on the cheese slice. Flip the sandwich over. So just add a little butter on the sides. So make sure you cook the sides to a nice golden color. So I'm going to place another slice of cheese on top. Dip another slice of bread in the egg mixture and place it on top. Just make sure you add a little butter in the corners. Now I'm going to flip this to the other side. Keeping the flame on a low, close the pan and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the sandwich to the other side. Close the pan and cook for another 2 minutes on low flame. So after 2 minutes, you can check on the sandwich. So you can see it's got this lovely golden color on both sides. So remove the sandwich and serve it nice and hot. Wow, those delicious and cheesy French toast look amazing. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. You can see the cheese at the center, it's melted and it's perfect. These are nice savory sandwiches which make for a perfect evening snack. You can also enjoy them for breakfast. To try the recipe, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.